meteorologist Adam Epstein.
This was a wonderful day to get outside. After the storms yesterday, the sun was out, but it was a touch on the humid side. We should be used to that by now. The humidity is not going away anytime soon. In fact, it's going to get worse before it gets better. Greg, thank you very much. We're seeing this line of showers move across Oxford County right here, and this is that small cell that we're worried about. It's small, but it is potent, but it is showing a trend. When you had hail size projected around 2 inches in diameter compared to 0.8 right now, that's a good sign that this storm is diminishing. This is what can indicate a tornado on the ground. This is what can indicate possibly some rotation. And even though it doesn't look like much, just a few cells, just a few pixels is enough to indicate rotation. And that's why this is a tornado warned system. You look for a hook, and there's a slight curve here, but the hook isn't pronounced as it was about 15 or 20 minutes ago. Something you need to do is take cover. You can go to the basement of your house, and if you don't have a basement, think of your home or a first floor of your home. There's usually a bathroom or a closet centrally located on the first floor that doesn't have any windows. You want to put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. That'll put you in the safest position. And wow, there are some lightning flashes really going up. So let's see how this goes. Here's the pitch. Yeah. I still got it. That's out of here. They play at 1 o'clock tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s, sunshine. No curveballs in this forecast overall. Looks like a home run. Here in Saco and in southern Maine, we may experience some rougher surf than usual over the next 24 hours. But real problems arise in mid-coast and down east Maine. Hurricane Gert is well off the coast into the Atlantic, but it's still close enough to influence our ocean waters.
Now, your CBS 13 Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Adam Epstein.
Good evening and welcome back. It's been a turbulent afternoon here in New Hampshire and both Maine, now with rain showers and thunderstorms moving over the border into our state. Most of it's in southern Maine, mainly Cumberland and York counties. There is some lighter rain to the north in Oxford and Franklin counties, but we're going to focus in on all of the action. First, you can see a lot of boxes here. The green boxes indicate flash flood warnings. There's one here, one up there, and the orange boxes indicate severe thunderstorm warnings. So the first one's in Rockingham County of New Hampshire and moving over towards southern York County by North Berwick. That's in effect until 6:30. So with this, you could have gusty winds up to 40 miles per hour, potentially some small hail, which isn't showing up on the radar, but we are getting some lightning strikes here and some downpours. These reds and oranges indicating rainfall rates of nearly 1.5 inches an hour. And the lightning is fortunately diminishing, and that's what you'd expect as the storm gets closer to the coast, as a sea breeze starts to influence the storm. Its cooler air prevents air from rising as easily and prohibits convection. The flash flood warning associated with this cell is in effect until 8:45 this evening. And then further to the north, we have another severe thunderstorm warning. This is northern York County and then into Cumberland County, places like Standish and over towards Buxton getting some heavy rain. That's in effect until 6:30. And the heaviest rain is just north of Standish going towards Windham. And it's no coincidence that we have a flash flood warning in effect with this cell until 8:30 this evening in the same exact area going up towards Gray. This is our radar site right here making a sweep. All this moisture is coming in from the southwest, and we have some more that we're going to have to deal with over the next couple of hours before everything starts to calm down. Overnight, the rain's going to stay to the north, northern Oxford and Franklin counties. We'll get a break in central and southern Maine. The same goes for tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., which is great news for the beach to beacon runners. It looks like it will be cloudy, it's going to be muggy, and it's going to be on the warm side, 71 degrees. Then as we get towards midday, the rain showers start to advance towards the coast, and we can see some thunderstorms pop up. They don't look like they'll be severe, though, and they'll be scattered in the afternoon. This is 3 o'clock. I pause this here. Notice how it's not raining everywhere. This will all move on through, and then Sunday will be set up for a drier day. It's still going to be humid, and temperatures should top out in the low 80s. Tonight's a muggy one, though. 68 degrees, mostly cloudy with rain mainly to the north, and tomorrow we'll rotate this around a pair of 7s at the coastline. Watch out for those rain showers and thunderstorms around midday and into the early afternoon. Here's our 7-day forecast. First, the coast as always. High humidity the next 3 days. Monday gets hotter, 86 at the coast, but I'm thinking we're getting back up to 90 for inland towns. Tuesday, another hot and humid day at 90 degrees. We do have a chance of thunderstorms on Wednesday, which could bring us a little bit of relief. So, Kim, when I say a little bit of relief, I'm talking about dew points in the low 60s as opposed to 70 degrees. Which
still
is
high.
Yeah, still a bit sticky, but more manageable for this time of the year and for Maine, where people come to get away from this stuff.
That's right. We'll take it. All right. Thanks, Adam.